All right, let's look at this question. A fair six-sided die is rolled 10 times. Each roll is independent. You want to find the probability of rolling a 1 more than 3 times. State the probability question mathematically. Okay, so this is a binomial distribution if you consider success and failure. So basically, a successful outcome would be that you roll a 1 when you roll the die. Okay, so the probability of success here is going to be 1 over 6 because there are 6 numbers on a die, and getting a 1 would be 1 over 6. All right, so in this scenario here, we're told that the die is rolled 10 times. So n equals 10 is the number of trials. All right, so each roll is a trial. And for each of the rolls, each of the trials, the probability that I'm going to get a 1 is 1 over 6. All right? Each roll is independent. Good, so that kind of fits with the binomial distribution. So one roll is not going to change or influence the probability of the next roll. All right? I want to find the probability of rolling a 1 more than 3 times. Okay, so it's useful. Let's build a probability distribution here. All right, so my possible outcomes is that out of all of the 10 trials, I'm going to get no 1s. Out of the 10 trials, I'm going to go roll 1 1. Or 2 1s, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9, or 10. Right, so basically our variable of interest here, the x, is how many 1s I roll in 10 trials. So it can take any value from 0 to 10. Like none of them could be a 1, all the way to all of the 10 could be a 1. Now 0 and 10 could be quite a low probability. Okay? All right. So we need to fill in each of these probabilities to kind of figure out what's the probability for rolling no zeros, no 1s, 1 1, and so on. Okay, but this is not what the question is asking us. Okay, we're going to get there at some point. It's asking us to state the probability question mathematically. And the probability question is like, I want to find the probability of rolling a die more than 3 times. Okay, so more than 3 times will be 4 or more. Okay, so we're going to need to add P of 4 plus P of 5 plus all the way to P10. Okay, to write this in a more concise way, we're going to say that we want the probability that x is bigger than or equal to 4. And that means that you want to add up all the probabilities from 4 to 10. All right? We'll do the details of actually finding the probability in a little bit.